So we just posted about 25 minutes ago a post about Rewardy.io. It was on Twitter, Telegram, also on the messages on the sites. And if you check out the referrals to join in the last 25 minutes, you can see that over 4 users made over 20 cents, which is pretty nice if you consider that it's about 20 minutes of use. And what is Rewardy? So basically, that's a website that pay you for listening to music, watching clips. You can play a Flappy Bird and get paid for it. You can take quizzes. But the main niche is to watch streams. Now, their Trustpilot score looks extremely great. It's 4.4. So, and there's over 1,500 reviews. You can read it yourself, check it out to see that it's a genuine site. So people are extremely happy with the site. And what you can do here is basically you can see and watch users playing some games or things like that on Twitch. And right now it shows 8 minutes out of 60. And it's using a boost. So what is a boost? Basically, you get 2 coins instead of 1. So 1 coin is about 0.1 cents. And this is what you see here. So 100 coins is 10 cents. Okay, so 10 coins is 1 cent and 1 coin is 0.1 cent. So the boost is giving you double the amount, so you get 2 instead of 1. You can also get if you do the daily streak, basically you keep on watching and watching. You can even leave it on if you wish, even if you're not in front of your computer device. It's still counting the minutes you're watching, but of course we also suggest you join the guys over here. You can send messages. You can basically watch what you like. Now you see it's changed from 8 to 9 and from 16 to 18, and that's how it works. And we have 168 points, 17 cents. But again, it's just joining about 20 minutes ago. You can see what's happening here. So just what we showed you again, if you look at the referrals, you'll see what other people have done with this. So the main one, like the first one, got over 300, which is over 30 cents. And you can actually get more for trying all these sections here. If you have questions about what is those coins, what is this gold coin I see here, the clock icon or the thunder, whatever that is, you click on the FAQ, they explain to you this is the boost point, giving you twice what you're getting. And if you want to get more, basically you go up a level. So if you click on your account, once you get to 1,000 points, basically you have experience points. You go up a level. The higher level you go, the more you get, the more bonuses you get, the more basically money you're making as well. So it's pretty much worth it. You can get up to maybe 50 cents, even $1 sometimes for very simple activities here, and even more. So this is what you can see. You see, using 12 boosts that we get just as a new account, and there's 9 completions, and we can keep on doing it. And it's pretty easy because it doesn't require anything, any certain skill, anything. You can just leave it on, and it's just pays as it goes. It's pretty simple. And so that's what we mentioned. If you like this video, by all means, we're going to drop you a code and the link to join in this video description. You can basically use it. Also in our posts in Twitter, there's also another code here, Rewardy, but we're going to add another promo code which you can use as well in addition to this one. Remember, just use it within the month of June 2024. So that's all. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, we'll be happy to hear from you. So drop it below and feel free to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye for now.